Struggling to make the perfect fried egg? Today we're breaking down pro techniques for crispy edges, runny yolks, and buttery flavor, so you can master fried eggs every time. Stick around for expert tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today we're perfecting fried eggs. From choosing the right pan to basting with butter for that crispy golden finish. Let's get started. The right pan. A non-stick pan is foolproof, but carbon steel or stainless steel also work with proper technique. Prepping your ingredients. Get everything ready beforehand. Fried eggs cook fast. Preheat the pan. Medium-high heat for the perfect crisp. Melt a small amount of butter. First, coats the pan for even cooking. Crack the egg on the counter, not the pan. Prevent shell fragments from getting in the eggs. Add more butter for basting. Spoon hot butter over the whites to cook them evenly. Tilt the pan slightly. Helps distribute butter and prevents burning. Season with salt and pepper while cooking. Enhances the flavor right from the start. Adjust heat to prevent overcooking. Lowering heat after crisping keeps the yolk runny, draining on a paper towel. Removes excess grease for the perfect texture. Pairing with toast. Soaks up the yolk for the best bite. Adding toppings. Try fresh herbs, hot sauce, or even a sprinkle of Parmesan. Now you know how to make the perfect fried egg every single time. How do you like your eggs? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert cooking tips. Want to master more breakfast recipes? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert techniques and kitchen hacks.